This is Lily. Lily's favorite thing to do is to go shopping with her friend Mia. Recently, Lily started a budget, but is struggling to stay on top of it. She spends more and more of her time on the weekends categorizing expenses and reconciling accounts. Worst of all, sometimes her shopping experiences leaves her feeling guilty and uncertain. Sometimes she wonders if budgeting is even worth it. One day, Lily's friend Mia tells her about a new app on her phone. "I absolutely love my new talking budget app," she says. "I just talk to it. I tell it what I spend, and that's it. My budget is always up to date. No syncing accounts, no worrying, no headache. I feel completely in control and happy," she exclaims. Lily is intrigued and wonders if it could really be as simple as that. 1 week later, the two friends go shopping. "You were right," Lily expressed. "Right about what?" Mia questioned. "That new app, the budgeting one. It's just as simple as you've described. I feel more in control than ever before, and it doesn't eat up all of my time. I can't say thank you enough for telling me about it," Lily exclaimed. "What are friends for?" Mia shrugged. "Besides, now we can do more of what we do best: shopping."